We're over here at gotomath.com working some calculus problems, and we're doing going over some rules of differentiation, and we're in this section right here. So you want to come on over and practice your problems, right? Click on them buttons and random number problems come up. In this particular one here, of course, we're talking about the quotient rule in this section, and we got 4x plus 9 over 5x plus 6. And we want to use the quotient rule. I'll write it out over here. The quotient rule. Alright. And the way the quotient rule goes is pretty simple. We take the derivative of the numerator first. So the derivative of 4x plus 9 is 4. Right, the derivative of 4x is 4 and the derivative of 9 is 0. And then we rewrite the bottom. Of course, we'll have to put this in parentheses. Minus, put a minus sign, then rewrite the numerator, 4x plus 9. And now we take the derivative of the denominator, and the derivative of the denominator is 5. And that's all over the denominator squared. And then, of course, you'll want to simplify this thing down. We can distribute the 4 across. We get 20x plus 24 minus, I'm going to go ahead and distribute this negative across as I multiply the 5 inside also. So this becomes 20x and then minus 45. And then, of course, we'll rewrite the denominator squared again. And now we have y prime is equal to. So some things that will cancel out here. We have a 20x's canceling out. And now what we have is we've got 24 minus 45. And what is that, 20? Actually, it's going to be a minus 20, isn't it? Over, and then the denominator squared, of course. So there's the demonstration of the quotient rule. Now let's go over to the page and make sure that, whoa, is that the same problem? I might have written down the wrong or a different problem here. In fact, I know I did. I think probably, no, I must have changed problems. Well, anyway, doesn't matter. Help. Yeah, that's a completely different problem than what we had up here. I must have, it doesn't matter. Alright, you see how to work out the quotient rule, and of course here's the general part, the general rule for the quotient rule, or the generally written, I should say. Right, the derivative of the numerator times the denominator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator over the denominator squared. I don't know. Okay, well there it is. Go to this section here and click, click, click and practice. Alright.